There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day for you and Chert.
Guys, welcome to Muzzle Tough Takes. We're two boy chicks. We have
Two
no idea,
bubbles.
we don't know what we're talking about.
Nah.
But today we're talking about spinning of the wheel. Okay, what do we got? What are we talking about?
Oh,
Fucking stupid.
change of climate. Climate change. Okay, I vote no, the climate should not change.
I vote yay. It's not up to us.
It's a bit of this is a multiple-sided argument. All right, Mayor, go ahead, go first.
All right. Well, I think the climate has been done changing for a goddamn while now. I'm talking millions of years since the inception of this, Earth. As long as there's been Earth, there's been weather. As long as there's been weather, there's been climate. And as long as there's been climate, it's been changing. And I really don't think, if you look at the grand scheme of our recorded history, it only goes back a couple thousand years, right? But then they say that humans have been around for millions of years, and then before that and before that, all the way to dinosaurs and shit. So if it goes all the way that far back and we're just here, you know what I'm saying? And we know that there's been at least one or two, there's been 3 ice ages, right? And then a spin-off movie, but we don't talk about that one.
Yeah, the spinoff was not that good.
There's been 3 ice ages, or there's been a bunch of them. And so all these people are saying, oh, it's us, it's us, it's us. We're the one changing the climate. I honestly say, listen, just because you're noticing it doesn't mean it's correlation and causation, not necessarily correlated.
Maybe causated.
Potentially.
Let me ask you a question, Mayor.
Go ahead.
What's the best season? Like if you had to say, like, what's the best season?
The best season
That's
unanswerable.
No.
I have good things to say about all the seasons. And that even goes to my point where I love climate change because I love the summer for what the summer is. I love the winter for what the winter is. I love the spring and the fall for their respective purposes as well. I love it all. And anyone who says, oh, it's the boga, all right, they're wrong.
I agreed. Especially if they say that. I mean, that's not even a sentence. But I will also say this. I will say this much. Let me just clear my little voice box there. I think everyone can agree that the best, thank you. I need a little extra microphoneage. The best season is obviously either spring or summer. That's it. Like winter and fall suck nards. Okay, we all know this. Like they're good for like a day, and then depending on where you live, it gets slushy. It's rainy. It's great. Listen, hear me out. That's all I got.
I hear what you're saying, but let me ask you this: hot tubs, you like them?
Love them, especially in the summer.
Wait a minute. Close your eyes. Imagine a nice deck of wood made on some snow on a mountain in Spain. Okay,
fancy.
You got a whole thing out there, and it's snowy. Nice fluffy snow, and out there, you got a fucking hot tub. You see what I'm saying?
Terrible.
Oh, what do you mean? What do you mean? A hot tub in the winter. A hot tub in the winter is better than a hot tub in the summer, just like the beach in the summer is better than the beach in the winter. No.
First off, I don't know if we could say the B word. Second off, I want to tell you that, like, this, number one, ready, Mayor? This is very important. Very important. You're wrong. Second off, I want to tell you something else. Very important. You're right. And third off, I want to tell you the final thing, which is that ultimately, on top of all these things, if you put them all together, amalgamate them, additionatize them, you put them in order, and you see what they all equal to, I'm right. But if I had to now make a clear and concise point, I would say this. Would you rather it be ice age, freezing, or would you rather it be so hot that your skin melts off your bones?
Well, if you're asking me if I'd rather burn to death or freeze to death, Ooh.
Mm.
Mm.
Think wisely, because
Mm.
one of them will happen.
Oh no.
That's right. Your
Chas
tribute.
v'shalom. Say chas v'shalom.
Okay, okay. Knock on wood. Knock on wood.
No. What are you knocking on, Ben?
I'm knocking on that wood.
All right, listen.
All right.
What are we even talking about in this video again?
I don't know. Okay, let's bring it back. Let's bring it
Climate
back.
change. Climate change. Listen,
Right.
I think it's great and it's inevitable. And just because we're noticing it now doesn't mean that it hasn't been happening at similar rates before. Boom. Yeah. Case in point, the hole in the ozone layer. You never hear about that anymore.
It's because they fixed it, dude. They stopped spraying aerosol cans many years ago, and that was
But
it.
no, but there's the proof that nature heals itself. It's all cyclical. We're a part of it. We don't control it. We have nothing to do with it. We're along for the
We
ride,
are
ladies
the
and gentlemen.
world.
We
We
are the
are the
children.
children.
We
We
are
are
the
the
ones,
something,
sons of
some
a
better
brighter days.
place, so
But
they'll
when they
start
stop,
giving.
okay.
There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day for you and Chert.
I think you're church.
Yeah, I was saying for you and Chert.
Oh, very nice. Third person.
I only spoke about Chert in the third
Guys,
person.
listen, I think I'm right about climate change. I don't think we should stick to one season at all.
Yeah, no,
It's
I
just
think that
nonsense.
what we should do is we should try to like speed run the climate change so we could just get to the final result. No one likes waiting. Okay.
No.
Imagine you were in line at the store and you had to wait in line to check out, or you could just speed run to the checkout line. Of course, it is 1,000 degrees and there's molten lava everywhere at the end of it. But the thing is, you're there. You know what I mean? Like, isn't it better to be there wherever it is?
Maybe. Let us know what you think down in the comments. This has
I
been
will.
Muzzle Tough Takes. Schwabang.